we go. The Great Gear, Great Mates promotion is brought to you by Shimano and the team at Hunting and Fishing New Zealand. For every $50 you spend on Shimano product at your local Hunting and Fishing New Zealand store, you get one entry to go on the draw to win this amazing Extreme Boats 545 Sport Fisher, valued at over $65,000. You will also automatically go into the weekly prize draws that will be announced by email. The promotion starts 1st of October 2020 and goes through to 28th of February 2021. Oh, here we go. So pop into your local Hunting and Fishing New Zealand store, purchase Shimano gear and get in the draw to win.